Jai Bole guys, I hope everybody is doing well and are in best of health. Welcome to my channel Triambaka Tarot Readings. My name is Jasmine. Today's reading is going to be very different. I don't want to put videos which are of sort of no use to anybody, and you can find a lot of other videos like this on YouTube. I was actually discussing it with my sister tonight that what kind of a topic you think is kind of importance and someone would really want to watch this. So she said, why don't you make videos on loneliness, depression, people with anxiety issues? I'm not saying everybody is dealing with the same, but I really would want to help someone who is going through any kind of an internal emotional battle. Not everything is as it seems on social media. So I hope that this video is going to help and reach out to people who are battling their inner demons. This word also was suggested by my sister. So I hope this video is going to make sense to anybody who's going to, mean for. So I have again written down pointers in my diary, like I always tell you. This is a small cat that I made. This is the Cat Lovers Tarot spread. I will be doing that again. So this spread is basically about loneliness spread. How can you deal with this loneliness or depression or things that are giving you anxiety? So I'm going to be keep looking at the 3 points that are major. I don't want to miss out on that. So as always, we have 3 choices of crystals right in front of you. Whatever attracts you the most, select that and we shall begin. The first crystal is a clear quartz wand, crystal wand. The second is a raw selenite wand. And the third is black tourmaline wand. So these are all healing wands, so I thought this crystal is going to be appropriate for the reading as well. So enough said. So I hope you guys are going to take a moment to choose and we shall begin. So the people who have chosen the clear quartz crystal wand as the choice of crystal, let's see what is the first one. How can I, or what can I do to erase this loneliness that I have, or depression, things that are causing me depression? For you guys, you think a lot. Okay, your number numerologically has come of 4, which is of Rahu, and here can you see 4, and energy card is of the happy family. Here also in tarot also it's the number 4. Here also it's number 4. So clearly it's number 4 has got a lot of importance right now playing in your life. Maybe for some of you, maybe Rahu is going on astrologically in your charts. And for others, I would say try to spend more time with your family, because somewhere you feel more happy and at peace when you're around your family. So try to spend time there. And don't forget that, you probably are not liking what the life is presenting to you. Why I'm saying is because of the 4 of Cups that I showed you. So here you have to accept what the universe is presenting to you right now. You're not liking what is happening with you in life right now. So you need to stop thinking about that and worrying about why is this happening. And don't think too much as to, you think a lot about the justice has not happened to me. It's not been served to me. It's not when you want justice. It's about all divine timing. And it's going to happen when it's meant to be. So you don't have to think about it too much. Plus, you should also think that you have the power. As I showed you the number 4 card, that was the Emperor's card, that you need to think this is what you are. You're the boss of your own life, You need to remind yourself that nothing can spoil your peace of mind unless you allow it to. So it's time now you just wake up and think that I don't need to disturb myself for such things. Plus, if something has ended in your life or it's not working, it's high time you stop thinking about that also. Just leave it aside and move on. The next point is any kind of tips that is going to keep you at bay from loneliness in the future. The 2 cards that have come is, first is volunteer. Now volunteer cards are the angel cards that say that you should try to do some charity work, donations, or maybe help people in need. Just in case you're going, just a random display of affection towards people who need help, or animals, the voiceless out there. Anything to do with selfless acts, you should be doing that right now, because it's going to help you. And stop getting aggressive or angry on tiny things. Don't think that everything has to, everything is kind of making you pissed off, so you have to stop getting in that energy. This old thing that everybody used to say, the moment you're angry, start counting to 10. It really does work, provided you have that presence of mind that you are not going to let that energy swallow you whole. It should not go beyond 5 seconds. Anybody can come to know that this is not going right, so don't give it more than 5 seconds and just snap out of it. Next is the words of encouragement, or anything that can heal you or help you heal. So the healing is trust in divine order. You are being helped. I just spoke about this, that you need to believe in divine time. Not everything happens when we want it to happen. Everything is destined, it's pre-written. So don't worry too much about such things. And the angel messages come for you as transformation. You are experiencing enormous change right now, which brings great blessings. Now this means you stop worrying. What is butterfly standing for? It's standing for happiness, a transformation from a caterpillar who's just been eating and sitting in one place and hogging, and then it turns out to be a beautiful butterfly. The same thing is happening with you. You need to think that this time is going to pass, and stop worrying yourself about it, for God's sake, because everything is going to change. It's all temporary. I hope this reading helped you guys. This was the first group. Second group of people who chose the raw selenite crystal. Let's see. The first one is, how can you erase your loneliness? First suggestion would be, try to get rid of any kinds of attachments which are toxic, which are causing you anxieties, or some things that you keep thinking about all the time, and you think, oh, that was nice, oh, this was nice, how can I get rid of it, how can I move on without it? You have to stop getting involved in attachments which are not right for you. Don't forget that you can achieve things. You have done it in the past also. You're a person who likes to achieve it all and who can get to the top. So don't forget about this. Stop arguing with people who are trying to help you, or maybe someone who's actually trying to bug you. Don't argue with them. Just give yourself 5 seconds. You would know in an environment where you are being provoked for your anger, or you would know where you are at ease. So give it 5 seconds and move away from it. Next, try to move on with things. Don't stay stagnant in anything, be it your emotions, be it your practicality, be it your work, anything that is making you feel monotonous about something. Get up and leave. This is what you need to do. You need to work hard for it. Plus, you need to really work now on your mind and your physical self to be able to snap out of something which is going to make you feel lonely or depressed. Nobody's coming. Nobody's going to come and help you. Nobody's going to come for anyone. The reason why you're watching this video today also is probably because you need to tell yourself that it's high time, I need to do a few changes in my life. Next point for you is the tips that is going to get you rid of loneliness in the future. That the card has come for angels is body changes. Now body changes, there's a lot of yellow that talks about a sacral chakra, which is our navel, and that talks a lot to do with our willpower. Now it could also mean that you need to do body changes, maybe eat right, maybe go on a diet, maybe start walking, maybe start thinking the right things, making a list of willpower, things that you really need to change in yourself, and stop thinking about who betrayed you and what all you couldn't achieve in your past. You need to stop thinking about such things. Now these are the pointers that I'm giving you that is going to help you curb the loneliness or get rid of the anxiety issues that you might happen in the future. These are all simple points, but trust me, simple points make a lot of difference in our life if we sit and think about it as well. Now, the last point for you is the words of encouragement or healing that you need right now, so that this episode of depression, anxiety, or loneliness doesn't occur. Enjoy the process instead of always looking for the result. Like I said, this card explained very well that in the past you have been kind of depressed with people. Or can you see the number 5? For you people, number 5 has a lot of meaning. It could be just about anything, because there's 5 of swords and the energy card is also 5. So I would suggest you guys to just enjoy the process of changing yourself, rather than thinking, if I change, what will I achieve? You have to stop thinking like that. And your angel message is bodies of water. Spend time near water such as lake, river, ocean. Recharge your batteries. Now clearly I'm making this video in Delhi, and we don't have any kind of a water body here except for Yamuna, and everybody knows it's so polluted. Nobody can sit there and have a peace of mind, with all due respect to a religious water body. But anyway, you can have fountains, you can have aquariums, you can take a detox bath with Himalayan salt, as simple as Himalayan salt, or lavender. You can take healing baths, anything to do with water. The main point is, right now, what is going to really recharge you soul wise and energy wise is anything to do with a water body. Like I explained, you can keep a small fountain. You can try to, while taking a bath, you can chant some mantras, or you can mix some certain salts or bath salts, or oils, essential oils in your bath water. And you can also charge your water and drink with mantras. This is what is going to help you for the future. I hope this made sense. The last group of people who have chosen tourmaline wand as their choice of crystal. So let's see, how can you erase your depression or loneliness? Stop thinking about finance. You are really worried about how and what you're going to get as far as finances is concerned. Yes, of course, everything is important in life. Finance is a very important part of life that takes care of a lot of other important parts of our life. So you have to stop worrying about it, first of all. And if you're starting something new, I think this can also be for a few of you who have started something new, a new venture, and now you're worried whether how your result is going to be, how the returns are going to be, how the investment is going to turn out for you. And also, don't forget that you're just worrying yourself unnecessarily, because you are the Empress. Now the Empress card stands for a person who's able to achieve everything, who's able to take out solutions of things without worrying herself. So always remember that. The next card is the tips that might help you for not having loneliness or keeping loneliness at bay. Changing your mind. I just told you the Empress card stands for that. This woman is capable of turning things around for herself, no matter what. Now, if you see clearly, the Empress card always talks about a woman with she's sitting in a very nice chair. She's very comfortable. She has a crown, for God's sake. And she has a lot of green behind her. But there's a lot of dry pastures in front. Even then, she's enjoying her throne. This means, even if you can see the disaster, you're poised and matured enough to handle the situation. So clearly right now, I would say, don't worry too much. Changing your mind with the red color talks about our base root chakra. Now here says, you have to stop thinking the way you have been thinking all this while. You need to change the way how you perceive things. Also, you have been thinking that everything is delayed in your life. You need to stop worrying about why there are delays. Everybody has their own place to start in their life. Some people achieve a lot in their 20s. Some people achieve the maximum when they're in their 40s and even 50s for that matter. So whenever you need to start in life, it's never too late. Now, the words of encouragement or healing that you need to hear for you. Begin to see yourself as a spiritual being having an earthly experience of growth and transformation. Amazing. And this makes a lot of sense to you lot. It's a transformation time. It doesn't matter if you're not achieving it right now. Every day, as long as you're breathing, as long as you're living, every day is a new start. Every day is a new effort. You can still achieve it. Nothing has come to an end. Stop worrying about it. Your angel message is cycles and rhythms. Honor the cycles of your body, energy levels and emotions. Wow. Can you see the colors? In fact, every reading the color has come the same for healing. So now this card is saying clearly that for some of you, the women out there, maybe you're going through hormonal changes, imbalances, or something to do with your menstrual cycles. Some people might be having even menopause. Some of you might be going through it, or some of you might be having some menstrual cramps or pains, or something is changing in your body, medically speaking. Also, you need to stop worrying about everything. This is what it says, that honor the cycles of your body. Like I had explained, don't compare your life to anybody else's. Somebody will achieve something at some point in their life in their 20s. Some might just achieve it in the 30s, or some in 40s. Trust me, there is a time for everyone, but you cannot compare your life with anybody else. It's just not going to make sense. You're unique in your own way. I hope this reading helped. It was a very short one, but I really don't want to make it a very long one where it sounds like a lecture. I hope this helped. If it did, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really means a lot to me. And I'll come around with another set of readings which is going to have some sense again. Till then, take care. Jai Bhole.